You can now create anime or animated cartoons using an AI tool called Tooncrafter. And it's very easy to use. Also, it's free right now. Let's head over to their website to see how it works. So as you can see here, this is a clip that was generated using this tool. All that was required is to give an input of 2 images, which in this case is this and this. Basically, the first frame and the last frame of the video clip you want to prepare, and then Tooncrafter animated these images into a video. This is how it looks like. There are many more such clips on this page, so feel free to check them too. So let's try this out. By the way, all the links are in the description. Okay, so here we are on the official app. As you can see, there are 2 options over here where we need to upload images, which will be the first and last frame of the clip. So I've prepared 2 images for this, and the first one is actually very simple. It's a couple of emojis. The first frame is the simple smiling face emoji, and the second one is the one which shows some teeth. So we're gonna be using these 2 for the first and the last frames. Okay, so let's upload this. Once you do this part, you will need to add a prompt as well, similar to how you do it on tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. So I'll write a smiling emoji for the prompt. And rest of the things, I'll just leave it as it is and click on generate. Now, this is gonna take a few seconds to complete, so I'll just cut to the part when it is done. Now it's done, and this is the result. Not bad, I must say. Could have been a little better though. I could have changed the FPS over here to 24 or 30 FPS for a more realistic video-like output. But hey, you're not here for this. You're here to see an actual anime clip being generated, so let's do that. So this is gonna be a little bit tricky. I've generated 2 anime-like images of a boy. Here is the first frame where he has no expressions on his face, and here's the second one where he is laughing. So let's see how this works out. So I upload this and then I add a prompt just like I did before. This time I'll be using 24 FPS as it's considered cinematic by most people in the industry, and generate. And this is what it looks like, which in my opinion is quite good. I mean, you can see the expressions look sort of natural. The background, if you notice, is also changing properly because, you know, the frames had different backgrounds before. Overall, I'll say that the result is fairly nice. So that's how it works. Now, I know this may not be perfect right now, but give it some time and let's see how this progresses. And who knows, maybe this will become an integral part of the anime creation process. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.